tutorial on how to make the dog Christmas stocking. The first thing that you do is cut out your templates and stick them together. The larger template is for the pocket and you need one. The smaller template is for the front and back of the pocket and you'll need one for the front and one for the back. I've cut out one front piece, one back piece and one pocket, and I've put medium weight interfacing on all pieces, and I've cut out the tab as well. Place your tab face down, fold in half and press, open up, and then take that long side and place it on the crease you've just made, and that long edge on the crease you've just made, and then fold it in half and press, and then sew all along there. The tab's now finished. I've sewn along that edge and that edge, and we're just going to put it to one side for later. Now we're going to make the pocket. Take your pocket piece, which is the largest piece of fabric you've cut out, and fold it in half and make sure that all your edges line up. And when you're happy with the edges lining up, take it to your iron and press along there, and then we're going to top stitch all along the top. Place the front of your stocking on the worktop and then place the pocket you've just made on top. Make sure that all the edges and sides line up, and then clip all the way around. I've clipped all the way around there, and I've also folded the tab and I've clipped it at an angle facing in to the stocking on the edge. Now I'm going to take it to the machine and sew in really close to the edge all the way around. You will not see these stitches. Place the remaining piece of fabric right sides together. If you're using directional fabric, make sure that you've got the fabric going the right way. Place them right sides together, line up all the curves and edges and clip into place. I've clipped all the way around. I'm going to take it to the machine and start in there. I'm going to sew along to there and stop. All the way around the curve there and stop. Along the straight line edge there, all the way around there, all the way around there, and stop, and leave a 10 centimetre gap for turning. I've sewn all the way around and I've clipped all the curves, and now I'm going to turn it the right way by pulling it through the gap here. I've turned it the right way around and I've sealed up the gap we left for turning, and I've used some of the tape that you normally use for turning up trousers, or you could hand sew it if you wish. And now all that's left is to pop a little bow on, and there's your dog Christmas stocking all ready.